Similar is the HCF of fractions. In HCF of fractions, a by b and c by d, it is given by HCF of numerators and LCM of denominator. So for example, we have two fractions 3 by 5 and 7 by 10. So for getting the HCF of them, first we have to get the HCF of 3 and 7, that is 1, because they are having no common factor except 1, and LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So HCF of 3 by 5 and 7 by 10 is 1 by 10. Now if you have observed carefully, this is the pattern. In LCM of fraction, in numerator LCM of two numbers, and in denominator HCF of two numbers. Similarly in HCF of fractions, in numerator HCF of two numbers, in denominator LCM of two numbers. So whatever is calculated for fraction, it is LCM or it is HCF. For numerator the same will be calculated, and for denominator other one will be calculated. For example, in HCF will be calculated for numerators and LCM will be calculated for denominators. Now if this is clear to you, let's come to a question, very basic question. First let me read this question for you. A church has 3 bells. Those bells ring as per following schedule. First bell after every 15 minutes, second bell after every 60 minutes, and third bell after every 90 minutes. If it is given that all the 3 bells ring simultaneously last at 2 p.m., at what time it will happen again next? It is saying there are 3 bells which ring at certain interval of time. At 2 p.m. they ring simultaneously all of 3. Now at what time they will ring at once again? So it is which type of question? Obviously it is one of the LCM or HCF. So pause the video and try to answer this question. Now I assume that you have paused the video and thought over it. If you got the answer, let's check it. And if you did not got the answer, please listen to me very carefully. Okay, so we know that first bell rings after every 15 minutes, second bell rings after every 60 minutes, and third bell rings after every 90 minutes. Okay, means if it is 2 p.m., first bell will ring at 2:15, then 2:30, then 2:45, then 2:60, means 3:00, then 3:15, then 3:30, and so on. Second ring, if first rang at 2 p.m., then it will ring at 3 p.m., then 4 p.m. Are you getting it? Similarly third bell, as it is 1 hour. Similarly third bell, it rings after every 90 minutes. So if it rang at 2 p.m., now it will ring at 3:30. Then next it will ring at 5 p.m. Okay, so it will third time ring at 5 p.m. Also it will ring at 5 p.m. Now if we calculate that at what time after 2 ring will bells will ring at same time, it will be 5 p.m. This was very analytical answer, but if we do it mathematically, how do we do it? So the method standard approach for this question is, you need to calculate the LCM for these 3 time intervals. First rings after every 15 minutes, second after every 60 minutes, and third after every 90 minutes. So you can see LCM of 15, 60 and 90. At least now you can pause the video and calculate the LCM of these 3 numbers. Now I assume that you have calculated LCM of these 3 numbers and it comes out to be 180 minutes. 180 minutes means 3 hours. So if they last rang at 2 p.m., now they will ring at 2 plus 3, 5 p.m. That is the answer. I hope you got it. Next, coming to type of questions. What are the major type of questions that are asked in exams? Okay. So this is first type of question. What is the smallest natural number that is divisible by x and y? So, for example, smallest natural number divisible by both 12 and 15. Let's assume that number is n and it is divisible by 12, it is divisible by 15. If you have understood LCM and HCF thoroughly, so you can understand that LCM, that is least common multiple, is same as the smallest natural number divisible by two numbers as least common multiple. What is a multiple? Multiple is a number that is divisible by two numbers. Both the numbers, also it is given common and least. Common multiple means both, it is divisible by both the numbers, and least means it is least common multiple. So smallest natural number divisible by both 12 and 15 will become LCM of 12 and 15, that is 60. Now if he asks what is the second smallest natural number divisible by 12 and 15, 60 plus 60, 120. Similarly, third smallest number, 180, and so on. I hope this is clear to you. Second type of question is smallest natural number when divided by x and y gives remainder r. For example, find the smallest natural number when divided by 12 and 15 gives remainder 7. Similarly, what we did in previous question was to find the smallest number which is divisible by both 12 and 15, that was LCM of two numbers 12 and 15. Now in this question, when this number divided by 12 and 15 should give remainder 7. So if you think carefully, if we add 7 to the LCM, whenever we'll divide this number by any 12 or 15, so this 60 will be fully divisible, but this 7 will never be divisible either by 12 or by 15. So this 7 will always be remainder. So here answer becomes 67. This is third type of question. Smallest natural number when divided by x and y gives remainder r1 and r2 respectively. Now in first type of question we saw what's the smallest number divisible by x and y. In second type of question we saw what's the smallest number which when divided by x and y gives remainder r. Now in these type of questions we are being asked that what's the smallest natural number when divided by x and y gives remainder r1 and r2. But here one condition is also specified, x minus r1. X minus r1 is equal to y minus r2. Let's understand it with the help of example. What is the smallest natural number when divided by 12 and 15 gives remainder 4 and 7 respectively? So when divided by 12 and 15, it gives remainder 4 and it gives remainder 7. If we see that does the relation exist as said above, 12 minus 4 is 8 and 15 minus 7 is 8. So yes, they are equal, means relation exists. In these type of questions, what we do, we write the number as LCM of these two numbers, that is 60, minus what is the subtraction of this divisor and this remainder, minus 8. The number becomes 52. So if now you check it, when 52 is divided by 12, 12 for the 48, 48 plus 4, 52. When it's divided by 15, 15 to the 30, 53 the 45, so it gives remainder 7. So it is correct. I hope you understood this. Now let's do one question. The question says Ram has n coins. If he makes set of 2 coins, 1 coin is left. If he makes set of 3 coins, 2 coins are left. 4 coins, 3 coins are left. 5 coins, 4 coins are left. How many coins he has actually? What's the value of n? This is what he's asking. Now let me first clarify the question. What do I mean by set of 2 coins? Means suppose I have x bags. Number of bags is x. In each bag, and obviously number of bags is greater than number of coins. If in some bags I put coins, in every bag I put 2 coins. Okay, so it is said that 1 coin is left who cannot make pair with any other coin. Second line says if I put 3 coins in every bag, it means 2 coins are left which does not form any pair with anyone. Similarly, if I put 4 coins in every bag, 3 coins are left which do not have one extra coin to form pair. Similarly, 5 coins. So now he is asking what's the value of n. So recently we studied that a number if divided by 2, 3, 4 or 5 gives a remainder, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. If we subtract them, we get 1, we get 1, we get 1, we get 1. This is same. So what we studied in the previous example is value of n becomes LCM of all these numbers. What is LCM of all these numbers? 60 minus 1, that is 59. So now if you check answer, if he makes set of 2 coins, 58 coins are set but 1 coin is left. If he makes set of 3 coins, means 59 by 3, 2 coins are left. 4 coins, again 3 coins are left. 5 coins, 4 coins are left. I hope that is clear to you. So let's come to the last question of this topic. The question is HCF of two numbers is 24, sum of the numbers is 144. Find the numbers. Let's assume the numbers are x and y. It is given sum of the numbers is 144, so x plus y is 144. And HCF of two numbers is 24. What is HCF? HCF is highest common factor. Means the two numbers must be multiple of 24. So we can write one is 24x dash, another is 24y dash. So we can write 24x dash plus 24y dash is 144. So x dash plus y dash come out to be 6. Now x dash plus y dash is 6. So what's the possibility of values of x and y? X dash is 1, y dash is 5, x dash is 5, y dash is 1, x dash and y dash both are 3, x dash is 2, y dash is 4, x dash is 4, y dash is 2. So first let us take the possibility of 3 and 3. If we take x dash and y dash as 3 and 3, so the x becomes 24 into 3, y becomes 24 into 3. So HCF of two numbers is not 24, it is 24 into 3 as highest common factor is HCF. So highest common factor is 24 into 3. So 3 into 3 is rejected. Now comes to 2 x dash is 2, y dash is 4, or x dash is 4, y dash is 2. So numbers become 24 into 2 and 24 into 4. The highest common factor again is not 24, it is 24 into 2. Next, the only left possibility is 1 and 5 or 5 and 1. So if we take numbers become 24 and 120. The highest common factor of them is 24. So this is right answer. So answer we will write one is 24, another is 120. We can take 1 5 or 5 1. It doesn't matter because arrangement of number does not matter. So I hope you got this answer. If you have any query regarding this question or regarding any concept taught in this video, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.